Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to become a Gymshark affiliate and make a lot of money. Alright, so if you want to learn how to make money using the Gymshark affiliate program, let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing I'd like you to do is to, of course, launch any browser of your choice. Now, interestingly, you can, of course, access the Gymshark web application using any browser. So just launch any browser. Right here, I'm actually using Google Chrome. And then at the top corner where you're going to find the search bar, you can definitely right there insert gymshark.com or type gymshark.com, and it's going to take you right into the official website where you can now navigate to have a great time. So this is the official website for Gymshark. As you can see, a lot of things are going on in here. So in Gymshark, you can definitely shop gym outfits or gym suits, all right, that can help you get a fantastic gym experience. As you can see, these are the options available. Okay, these are the options available, and as you can see, elevate your everyday, right, from bunch to bear, elevates comfortable, versatile staples out with you every type of the way. And then this is women's elevate, and as you can see, all of these are just pretty cute. All right, so you can just shop or choose from any of these options to have a great experience. Now, there's something I would like you to know, that apart from the option of buying from Gymshark to have a great gym experience, Gymshark is actually offering you an opportunity for you to earn from them. All right. So unlike other websites where they have the direct affiliate marketing program, Gymshark doesn't have a direct affiliate marketing program. So for you to become an affiliate partner with Gymshark, then you need to be on one of the affiliate marketing programs, which is a website that is entirely different from this. All right, so here you go. So like I said, I have not created an account on Gymshark yet. So you would really like to create an account. So just go ahead and check on the top right corner where you're going to see the sign up button. Just go ahead and click on that and then follow through the processes to sign up. And once you have signed up successfully, it's just very simple to use. Okay, so once you've signed up successfully and you have seen all of the products available and you know that you're very good with affiliate marketing, then you can go ahead and sign up to Rakuten. So this is Rakuten advertising. Like I said, this is a third party website where you can now become an affiliate on Gymshark. Okay, so because you cannot do that directly on Gymshark, you have to do that through Rakuten advertising. Now, what does this imply? Now, you have to, number one, first get started with Rakuten advertising, create an account, and sign up as a publisher. Now, once you have signed up as a publisher, the next step is to go ahead and look for brands, or let's say partners, which is what they call. Go ahead and click on partners, and then from there, you're going to see a host of partners that partner with Rakuten. And then, of course, you definitely find Gymshark. So, but before that, I like to always advise affiliate marketers, to always know what's in for them before they jump into any affiliate marketing program. It is one thing to know that a particular website offers an affiliate marketing service, and it's another thing to know what's in it for you. All right, so you need to know if there are risks that you can take, or if the risks are not worth taking, then you just have to just let that slide. But then if it's something that is worth taking, why not? If not, just hop into it. So go ahead and read the terms and conditions before you go ahead to sign up, and that's what we're gonna get doing now. So this is an advertising platform that outperforms, and it says we connect brands, partners, and people to out deliver on our objectives and drive growth. Go all the way down. It says our numbers speak for themselves. So let's read so that we can check for credibility. So this 25 plus years in the industry. That's something that we can definitely trust. And this is 1.2 billion plus consumers reached awesome. And this is 200 million plus others. Oh my God. And this is 4.3 billion clicks. This sounds like a good environment to thrive in affiliate marketing. All the affiliate marketers, I'm sure you know that this is it, or definitely if you find a better offer, you're going to see that this works. So these are the partners that these set of people work with. So we work with the best brands in the world. Our experts will work with you to develop unique opportunities for your brand, and look at the brands available. All right, they work with Benefit, Backcountry, Vera Brandy, Cheap Air, Fox, Hilton. And then if you keep going all the way down, this is one travel. If you keep going all the way down, you're definitely going to find Gymshark. And this, of course, is sixth. And this is Ashley. So just go ahead. You're going to see all the way. So these are the solutions. I'm just going to read this for you. So we use our industry leading intelligence and consumer data to help you make the most strategic performance marketing decisions. But most importantly, we've got the insight and intuition that only comes with years of experience. So these guys really sound like they know what they're doing, and they can help you right away with all of the step-by-step processes. So from tried and true strategies to opportunities to imagine media trends. Scroll the way down, see all the brands that they are affiliated with, and these are all the publishers that they've got. And there's a case study, all right, and recognized for our industry leading work. So these are like their rewards or awards that they've got because of their expertise. So all of this shows us that these people are actually good to go, and we can actually trust them with this affiliate, right? And to get started, check the top right corner. You're going to find Get Started button. Go ahead and click on Get Started, and it's going to open up a window where you're going to put out all of your details so you can definitely sign up to create an account. So once you have created an account, that's just all you need. There in the home page, you're gonna see all of the features or the options that you can navigate to get started with Rakuten advertising. So this is Get in Touch to learn more, all right? And this is the form. So you have to fill out all of these, fill out all of these blank spaces. Your first name, your last name, work email, work phone, what is your role, enter all of that. Where is your company headquartered, your company type, company name, company URL, and then industry, annual online revenue, area of interest, and leave out a message if you have. Click on this to agree to the terms and conditions with Rakuten. And once you're done, go ahead and click on Get Started. Now, I will not be able to create an account because the requirements here, some of the things required, I really do not have them. But once you do and you're good to go, go ahead and click on that and create an account. So once you have successfully created an account, it's going to take you to the home page for Rakuten. All right, right there in the home page, all right, from your dashboard, check the top left corner. In the left corner, you're going to see partners, all right, and then go ahead and click on partners. And once you click on partners, you're going to see a list of partners, and one of them you're going to see Gymshark. So find Gymshark in the list of the partners. So just go ahead to the search bar, you're going to find there and type Gymshark. It's going to take you to Gymshark. Now it's going to take you to a window where Gymshark's affiliate programs or affiliate offers are available. So right there amidst the affiliate offers, you're definitely going to see all of the products that Gymshark has and the percentage that will go for you if you do what exactly they say. Let's say you're going to have to create an affiliate link, and then once you sell the product, and then you allow people, not necessarily to sell the product, but depending on the performance objective. But once you have done what exactly is required of you, you're definitely going to get the commission that is attached to it. Now, go ahead and to there a wide variety of options that you're going to get right there in that Gymshark window. Go ahead and click on any of them, and once you have clicked on any of them, that's just going to be it.